everyone, Josh May from Riccar Vacuums. Congratulations on the purchase of your Tandem Air vacuum. Let me show you how to get started using your Tandem Air machine. So obviously there's some really cool features on this. It has a lot of things that you want to be able to use and know how to use and take advantage of. So we're going to show you every step from top to bottom on the machine. So the machine right here has the on-off switch right at the top. So we're going to go ahead and plug it in and show you how those work. So I'm just going to quickly plug in the machine. You'll see that when we turn this switch on, you'll see a green light on the on setting, and you also see it defaults to the carpet setting. The primary purpose of a Tandem Air is to vacuum carpet, so it defaults to that first. So when I turn it on, you'll see green here and green here. One of the things that's nice about your Tandem Air vacuum cleaner is it does do bare floors as well, and when you push that carpet button, the green light will go off and it will disengage the brush roll for bare floor cleaning. So that is how you'll know whether your brush roll is on or off, is the light will be on and you can hear it. So you saw me plug in the machine. I did not unwrap the entire cord. You can manually unwrap the whole cord, or this metal cord hook here swivels. Okay, so you can actually swivel it and quick release it. So that way you don't have to unwrap your entire cord manually, and then it wraps around the base of here and goes up onto the machine. So that's how you use your cord hook on your machine. As you're here, you'll see that we have a wand. The wand is telescoping. You slide this or pump this back and forth. You also have a push button here to take off the wand if you don't want the wand, you just want to use the hose. The hose also has adjustable suction on it. So maybe you're out cleaning drapes or blinds and you want to decrease the power right here in your hand. You can open this up and release the suction. The tools are turned on by using this valve here, okay? So when you're using the machine, that valve will be on, it says tools on. Full power would be in that situation. Now there is another option to adjust the suction on this machine, and that is to tone it down a little bit. So it's not fully powered with the suction in this setting. Fully on, but when you want to vacuum your carpets, you want to have these two arrows aligned. Those need to align to turn on the lower motor and vacuum your carpets. We do that on purpose. That way you can't run your vacuum incorrectly and clog the machine with the brush running but no suction going through to the nozzle. So that is an intentional thing. So make sure that that's lined up when you're vacuuming your carpets. The brush won't turn on if it's not anyway. Now when we get over here, I guess we'll leave it like this and show you, here's the height adjustment, okay? So if I have thicker carpets, taller carpets, or low carpets, I can adjust it. That's very low. That's setting 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We do this because there's a lot of airing piles of carpets, and sometimes people need high heights for thick carpets or various cleaning needs, and of course low will get you down for your bare floors and your low pile carpets. The other side of the machine here is our handle release. Okay, so this pedal right here, we step on that and that'll release the handle for vacuuming. You'll notice that when you get so low, it will lift up, and you can pop over a transition or a cord or something, but also you can press it a second time and the vacuum will lay completely flat to the ground. So if you want to get under beds or low profile items, it will lay flat. Putting the vacuum back in upright position, we're going to show you how you can access the bag. This is your bag door. This would be the bag itself. If you pull that, you'll hear it click and then it'll slide up. So this will seal up so that way when you discard it, it doesn't poof stuff out the opening. And we're going to go ahead and, since it's a brand new bag, we'll go ahead and just insert it back into here. What I like about this is you're going to hear 2 clicks. You're going to hear a first click when it goes in and a second click when you firm it up on there so you know the bag is on correctly. Now you're ready to use your Tandem Air vacuum cleaner.